Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make your picture look more blurry on the Lightleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select the picture you want to edit, and after that slide to the right side of the screen down below till you find this blur option. So click on it, and here is the slide to the right side again. On this slide you can find a bunch of options how you can make your picture blurry. So just simply tap on the relevant one you would like to use, and then you can adjust it by the help of this slide in the middle of the screen. So select the relevant one, and after adjusting it you can also use the eraser if you want to make certain parts look more unblurry. So click on the check mark icon if you're done, and then you will be able to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.